Live the life you want. Create your own path. Possibilities are endless. The best lives are created. They don't just happen. The only limits in life are those you impose on yourself. Self-respect is your compass in life. No pain, no gain. Ability should never be wasted. Everything worth having takes work. When you identify your whys, anything is possible. Success is being great at anything you do. Personal growth is key in living a great life. Self-awareness is your teacher. Being yourself is the greatest gift you can give to yourself. Believe in yourself and all things are possible. Change is all in your hands. Do what you love. Failure is learning. Failure is a stepping stone to success. Feel the fear, but do it anyway. Live for today. Plan for the future. Inspiration is found all around you. Laughter is the best medicine. Positivity and optimism make everything and anything better. You create your own meaning in life. Let passion rule your life. The people in your life are your anchors. Choose them wisely. You can't change the past. You can mold your future. Give more than you take. Fulfillment and purpose are happiness. Life is short, and you only get one.